How LLMs actually think. Lesson 1 of 8. You type "see you" on your phone. It suggests later, tomorrow, soon. Your phone just predicted the next word. ChatGPT does the exact same thing. Just trained on 1,000,000 books instead of your texts. But how does it know what comes next? It's not memorizing answers. It's learning patterns. A parrot repeats words. An LLM predicts the next one. Feed it enough text, and it learns the rhythm of language itself. Computers don't read words. They read numbers. So the first step is splitting text into small pieces called tokens. Unhappiness becomes unhappiness. Each piece gets a unique number. GPT-4 has a vocabulary of about 100,000 tokens. Now each token needs meaning. Not just an ID number, a location. Think of it as GPS coordinates, but for meaning. Similar words end up nearby. King is near queen. Cat is near dog. It's 768 dimensions, but the idea is the same. Similar words live in the same neighborhood. Here's the magic trick. The word bank means different things. Is it a riverbank or a financial bank? Attention lets each word look at every other word and ask, which words help me understand and why meaning? This is the core invention behind every LLM. Now let's connect these pieces together. This is the full architecture of a large language model. Text goes in and gets split into tokens. Each token becomes a number. Those tokens get embedded into meaning space. 768 dimensional coordinates that capture what each word means. Next, the attention layer. Every token looks at every other token and figures out context. The feed-forward network processes the enriched tokens, then we normalize and repeat. Modern LLMs do this 80 times. The final layer uses softmax to convert everything into probabilities. It picks the most likely next token, then feeds it back in. This is called autoregressive generation. But here's what nobody tells you. Temperature controls how random the choices are. Low means safe and repetitive. High means creative. Too high means complete chaos. An LLM is an autocomplete engine trained on the entire internet. It doesn't think.